Good afternoon. Today I will speak about the 5 ways in which the world has changed, and although you should otherwise do it. Extreme poverty had dropped and that child led us to. According to the head of the World Health Organization, maternal mortality has decreased by 45% between 1990 and 2014. I remember that my dad told my dad people should proper out loud. Nowadays, the person spends more years in the education semi. Television never said that there was a significant increase in literacy rates. After these years, the world keep moving forward. I inform you, Stephanie Cuadras from Peru.